All right, pictures from the field. I am just going to talk about this stuff. Hopefully you're going to listen and watch and look at. There's no pass or fail. It's just about labeling. What you see in front of you as far as labeling every so many feet. I can't remember. How many feet? 25. Very good. Some of you were right on that. That's awesome. I wasn't a particular fan of this method of attaching the labeling, but you know what? It complied with the code because it didn't get into specifics about labeling. One of the questions that always comes up, and a lot of inspectors still call me since I was part of the plumbing board and a local inspector myself and a state investigator. Naturally, there's new inspectors come as people are retiring and new guys and gals come in and get these really cool kind of city and town jobs. But they kind of go, hey, what was the intent as far as if we have pipes in walls that are going to be concealed? Is the intent still to label them? Yes. You're still labeling them every 25 feet, even if they are concealed. So you have to label the piping before they get concealed. So make sure it's done before a rough inspection.